Today I'm doing a glam video with Nathalie the Beauty Diva. She's going to show you how she glams up. And I'm going to show you how you go from this to really glam. Now this is a typical day for me. If I was working, I would go to work with neutral eyes, neutral lips, and by 5 or 6 o'clock when I had to leave work, I would glam up my makeup. And I'm going to show you what I did without washing my face off. I never washed my face off at 5 o'clock and put on glam. That was too difficult. What I did was the following. I wiped my face with a tissue, and that's to get off all the oils and the grime of the day. But I don't wash off my face. I just wipe it off. And then I reapply moisturizer. I put moisturizer all over, and then I do my foundation, blush, contour, all that. I then add a lot of eye makeup, a lot of eyeshadow. I do that at night, and I take off the bottom. If I'm having a heavy eyelid with eyeshadow, I like to have an empty bottom, and then I'll put on a bold lip. So that's what I'm going to show you. So keep on watching. And I have the same shirt on from my Etsy store because I just thought it was glamorous, and I'm still sitting in the same position. So hope you enjoy. Let that settle in. Now I'm going to remove the bottom eye makeup. So because I'm putting on a bold lip, I'm going to remove the bottom makeup from under my eyes. If I was going to put the full makeup on my eyes, the bottom and top, then I would go with a more nude lip. Revlon Skin Awaken, Color Stay, Caffeine, and Vitamin C. This is really good. This brush is amazing. I love it. I'm so glad I took a chance on getting this. It just looked too cute. And now it's like amazing. I'm not crazy about this foundation. Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline. The last time I put it on, I wasn't crazy about it, but that's all I have up here. So let's try it. Okay. This brush, oh my God. I can't say enough about it. It's just crazy good. It's slanted. It's comfortable. It's ergonomically correct. And just goes like that. And it goes in all the crevices and swipe, 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 like you're painting a wall. It's amazing. I should have learned my lesson. I put too much on at once. When you're out at night in a dark restaurant, bar, you want to be able to see your feature to put on. Lady Danger. This Healthy Skin Blends by Neutrogena. See that? Look. Ooh! I like it. Take a little gold. Little highlighter by L'Oreal. And I would be doing all this in the ladies' room of my office. Yep. And they would come in and say, "Ooh, where you going?" I said, "I'm going out." I love to go out after work. I did that like on Thursdays, even Mondays. When everyone was miserable on a Monday, I was excited because I was going out. It's not working. This is Laura Geller. What else do I need? Okay, I might be done. I'll be right back. Here you have a little bling. I put a little bling bracelet on. You don't want too much. That's enough. And I'm ready for the top of the sixes, or the rainbow room. I did forget to contour. So simple. Put this in the corner. You see why I took off the makeup under my eyes? I just put it on the top. That's enough. When you have a dark lipstick, don't forget to check out these brushes. Boop, 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 boop. I could put on another shirt. I could wear this with just a t-shirt and jeans and be all cozy for the night. I could wear a hot pink lipstick too. Haven't gotten glammed up in a long time. Not in a long, long, long time. When I used to work in Manhattan, I had a lot of friends to go out with and explore the town. Oh, restaurants, bars, oh, karaoke, everything. Just had a ball. That was 20-something years ago. So now I'm in bed at 7. Thank you, Nathalie, for asking me to do this glam with you. I'm sure you look gorgeous. I will be right there and check your video out right now. And I'll put her link down below. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you.